We are at it again. At another customer's house. She has issues with this porch she has here built in. As you can see, we already started pulling up the floors. There is big holes everywhere.
What happened when you use the wrong material? It's not outdoor flooring.
It's not outdoor flooring. Look at this flooring. So we already start pulling the carpet up.
Look at this.
Don't go outside. We don't want this wet. So that's what happens. This is how the porch is looking. Some metal roof.
It's all screwed in. You know that's just screwing it off. A million screws.
That's what we up against, y'all, for today's project. Screws that I'll see. All these screws.
So we all know, laminate floors don't go outside.
Do not go outside. Yeah, this is crazy, y'all. Just don't put this shit out on your front porch. Just don't go outside nowhere. Day 2. Back at it.
It's gonna be done today.
Well, it's definitely gonna be done. I'm gonna knock this out real quick. Get us some, I'm gonna add a little more support throughout these. I don't know how he did this like this without any other support.
DIY.
Alright. DIY.
We're just gonna sturdy it up. We're not
yeah, make it a little sturdy.
We're not trying to do too much per customer request. We're just trying to get it
ready. She having a party here, so we're gonna get it party ready and approved for her real quick so she could have her little porch.
Like, what's going on?
Y'all, we ain't going home. We getting the hell up out of here. It's time to get the hell up out of here. We done. We are done. Out of here.